Some couple of issues with the documentation. You can't just simply copy and paste and hope for it to work. So here are the key areas that cause things to fail. So prior to this, the this Supabase uh, line here, it does not recognize, and because the tutorial asks us to create this as supabase.js and exported it as Supabase. So basically we just need to do this Supabase and we need to point it to the right file. So this is the same issue that is across the account, paste, and for the app as well. Okay, so that solved my issue in some of the path. I had another issue which is to install React native elements. So you just need to install yarn add React native elements, and also you need to run this yarn add React native save area context. And the last issue that I faced was that the view here, it was imported like this, so that broke the application. So what I did was I just exported it in this manner, and it works perfectly fine. So as you can see, the errors start to pop up. So I'm just gonna restart the server, yarn start, and hopefully we get a working application. So I'm gonna press W, and let's see, refresh. And no, I do not have. Okay, so this is interesting. So I just okay, so I just shot myself on the foot. So this is on the same level. So web bundling is correct. So everything's good. This refresh, and wonderful. We get a login details. So yeah,